let's have a conversation. And I wonder if, Grace, you might begin by just telling us how things are at this very time.
Thank you, Andrew. So I would just give a very top line context. 80% of Zimbabweans rely on small-scale or subsistence farming for food and also for income. Zimbabwe has not been spared from the climate change crisis. We do experience cyclones, flooding, strong winds. On the 2nd of April, the government of Zimbabwe, the president, declared a state of emergency resulting from the El Nino-induced drought. So we are experiencing water and food shortages, and this is impacting on both animals, livestock, and people. Zimbabwe has been undergoing an economic crisis for the past over 2 decades. On the political front, Zimbabwe, we had our general elections. There was hope that the election would usher in a new leadership. We again have contested elections where the opposition have said they do not recognize, the election result. There is a high migration. People are moving out of Zimbabwe, mostly to Europe and other developed nations. So generally, as a society, there is very little, hope because of this political and economic impasse. The church is still very much active and, trying to mediate in the political crisis that we have. The faith community is also standing with the people of Zimbabwe. Our work is mainly centered around supporting smallholder farmers through climate smart agriculture. We also work in response to humanitarian crises that arise in our context. We also have projects that address peace building, building social cohesion in the communities, and also holding, political leaders to account. We still keep our faith and hoping that, the Lord will make things right.